Just the back.
The U.S. Marines with Charlie Company Battalion Landing Team 1/1 11th Marine Expeditionary Unit and Reconnaissance Marines assigned to All Domain Reconnaissance Detachment conduct a grenade launcher range in Udari Range Complex in Kuwait.
Just the back.
The 11th Marine Expeditionary Unit and Essex Amphibious Ready Group, ARG, are deployed to the U.S. 5th Fleet Area of Operations in support of naval operations to ensure maritime stability and security in the Central Region, connecting the Mediterranean and Pacific through the Western Indian Ocean and 3 strategic choke points.
To 350?
The Marines from the Essex ARG and 11th Marine Expeditionary Unit are conducting sustainment training aboard multiple U.S. military installations and off the coast of Kuwait. The exercise will enable the 11th Marine Expeditionary Unit to train together as a Marine Air Ground Task Force MAGTF to sustain its proficiency in operating as a ready and capable response force while in the U.S. 5th Fleet Area of Operations. The 11th Marine Expeditionary Unit consists of the Command Element, the Aviation Combat Element comprised of Marine Medium Tiltrotor Squadron 165 and Marine Attack Squadron 214, the Ground Combat Element comprised of Battalion Landing Team 1/1, and the Logistics Combat Element comprised of Combat Logistics Battalion 11. The ARG MEU departed their home port of San Diego for a regularly scheduled deployment on August 12th. Reconnaissance Marines assigned to the All Domain Reconnaissance Detachment, 11th Marine Expeditionary Unit, also conducted a machine gun range in Udari Range Complex.
Clear. Send it home. Drop it.